Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to look on the blocked list on Gmail. So first of all, open your Gmail application. Here, select this icon. Now click on manage your Google account. Here, click on this search bar. Now search blocked. Here it will appear itself. Click on this. Here you'll be able to see all the blocked users that you have blocked in your Gmail. Here I have no one that I have blocked, so it is empty, but the ones whom you have blocked, it will show you. Thank you for watching this video.